Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The Delta State government has fixed Friday, June 21, 2024 as the day for the official presentation of staff of office to His Royal Majesty Kingsley Orereh, Igbi II, the OVO of Agbarha Warri Kingdom in Warri South local government area of Delta State. The ceremony, which will take place at the Shell premises Ogunu community in Agbarha Kingdom, is expected to be witnessed by chiefs and indigents from the 7 towns that make up Agbarha Warri Kingdom, as well as the satellite villages. His last monarch, His Royal Majesty London Afokheri II, MAMODE II, who ruled for 25 years, was the first gazetted monarch of the kingdom. He was crowned on the 9th of April 1998 and presented with staff of office on the 13th of April 1999. Its new monarch, His Royal Majesty Kingsley Orereh, Igbi II, will be the second king of the kingdom to be officially gazetted. Before this time, the Agbarha Warri Kingdom was ruled by the eldest man in the kingdom. The new king's presentation of staff of office is expected to bring positive transformation to the Agbarha Warri Kingdom. Already, the monarch, who is a known philanthropist, has commenced developmental projects across the kingdom. Amongst the projects that have received the Midas touch of His Royal Majesty is the Agbarha District Customary Court in Otowodo community, which he renovated and furnished. Before His Royal Majesty's intervention, the staff of the Customary Court were displaced to a rented apartment somewhere in the community. The monarch had also donated medical supplies and equipment worth millions of naira to the Central Hospital in Warri to ensure his people and residents alike had access to quality health care. His Royal Majesty Kingsley Orereh, Igbi II, has indeed demonstrated his commitment to the prosperity and advancement of the kingdom and its people, with many visibly pleased with his ascension to the throne. His Royal Majesty Kingsley Orereh, Igbi II, is poised to lead the kingdom into a new era of prosperity and progress. His vision for a thriving, united, and forward-looking community has already begun to take shape, earning him widespread admiration and support from both the indigents and residents of the kingdom.
Inside the Niger Delta,